How does this trade zone move the goalpost and change the game?
Yes, Java Integrated Industrial and Port Estate, or we call it JIIPE, is a 3,000 hectare public-private partnership development, which consists of 400 hectare of a deep sea public port, 1,800 hectare of industrial park, and 800 hectare of residential and commercial area. As you know, Indonesia is the largest archipelago country in the world. Unfortunately, our infrastructure has not been developing as fast as our economic growth, thereby resulting in a higher logistic cost in Indonesia. And this is what our mission in JIIPE is. At first, we would like to reduce the logistic cost by integrating a deep sea port, a toll road that connects to the toll network in Java Island, an airport, which is Surabaya International Airport, as well as a railroad.
Haryanto? Haryanto, how does this, tell us a bit more about the Java Integrated Industrial and Port Estate. How does this, then you mentioned this world's biggest archipelago, how does it change the infrastructure imperative because it's so badly needed?
Yes. So you see, in industrial park in Indonesia are away from the port. And what we are doing in JIIPE is to integrate industrial park together with the deep sea port, and also integrated with the national toll road in Java Island for an easy distribution, and also with the international airport of Surabaya and a railroad. This way, we can reduce the distribution cost in Java Island as well as in the whole of Indonesia, as well as for the import and export business. So this is our main objective in reducing the logistic cost in Indonesia.
And the special economic zone status, how is it going to help overall the industrial zone in attracting investment? AKR, you have previously set a target of 237 trillion rupiah of investments. How much progress have you made so far? Yes.
So very important in the JIIPE, besides reducing the cost, we are also ease of doing business, whereby the special economic zone will help in the ease of doing business by having the central government, the provincial government, and the regency government to have offices inside the special economic zone, which means that all permit and licenses can be done within the special economic zone. This way, Indonesia will attract more investment into the country. And currently, we have 15 customers, tenants that are already operational in JIIPE. And we have a very large anchor tenant, which is a smelter company that is beginning to start the construction. So far, out of the 1,800 hectare, we have already occupied with the 16 tenants about 250 hectares. So we still have a lot of land for inviting investors to come to JIIPE.
Okay, just very quickly here, 16 billion, that's the equivalent, of course, of the amount that you're hopefully looking to attract here. How did you come up with that number?
Well, so far with these 16 customers, we have already about $3.5 billion of investment. And if you look at the 1,800 hectare land area, plus 800 hectare of the residential and commercial, plus the 400 hectare of a deep sea public port, we believe we will be able to achieve the $17 billion. I mean, currently we have about $3.5 billion for these 16 tenants that occupy 250 hectare of land.